Hey, la la la. Hey, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and over there is Natasha. Take it on, BOOZHOO, baby.
BOOZHOO, Gakina. Hello, everyone.
And today, I would like to do an impersonation. You want to see an impersonation? I can't even say it. Do you want to see an impersonation, sweetie?
Yeah, sure. What are you going to do?
This is Vincent Van Gogh answering a cell phone.
Vincent Van Gogh answering a cell phone. Okay.
All right. So this is Van Gogh answering a cell phone. Hello? Hello? I'm sorry, what? You're going to have to speak up. I can't understand you. What? What? Oh, hold on. Hello? Oh, hi. Yeah, sorry. I forgot. You get it? All right. So that was stupid. All right. Here's a song by John Cougar Mellencamp. The song is called Pink Houses.
Now there's a black man with a black cat. He lives in a black neighborhood. He's got an interstate running through his front yard. He thinks, Lord, I've got it so good. Now there's a woman in the kitchen cooking up the evening slop, and he looks at her and he says, hey darling, I remember when you could stop a clock. Oh, but ain't that America? You and me, ain't that America? It's something to see, baby, ain't that America? It's home of the free, little pink houses for you and me. All for you and me. Now there's a young boy in a t-shirt. He listens to a rock and roll station. He's got greasy hands and a greasy smile. He thinks, Lord, this must be my destination. And I remember when I was younger, they said, boy, you're gonna be president. But just like everything else, those crazy dreams kinda came and went. Oh, but ain't that America for you and me? Ain't that America? It's something to see, baby. Ain't that America? Home of the free. Yeah, yeah, little pink houses for you and me. All for you and me. Ooh, 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 yeah, yeah. Wah-ha-ha, ooh. Now people and more people, what do they know? No, they go to work in some high rise and vacation out the Gulf of Mexico. Now remember, they're losers, but that ain't no big deal. 'Cause a simple man, baby, pays the bills, the thrills, the bills that kill. Oh, but But ain't that America for you and me? Ain't that America? There's something to see, baby. Ain't that America? Home of the free. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No pink houses for you and me. All for you and me.
And you have been watching BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and over there, is Natasha.
BOOZHOO!
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa.